There's a guide pin. Now what you don't see is that there's a very thin film of grease I put on here back before I put it all together. To measure it, I can use a caliper. I am using a caliper, a digital caliper, to go ahead and make this measurement. So I'll turn it on, push it as far close as I can, hit the 0, and now it shows 0 millimeter. I want inches. 0.000 inch. Open up the bolt. Quarter inch.
And that's the screw.
That's the diameter of the threaded part of
right,
the bolts.
Okay. Got it.
Now for the length. The threaded length is about ½ an inch, just over ½ an inch. The total length of the bolt shows to be it indicates it's 1.8, but it's really 1.75 is what I'm getting, 1 3/4. And the pin part beyond the threading, this shows 1.3, but it's really more like 1.25. The total length of the bolt, not that anyone cares, but I'll do it anyway, is just over 2 inch, and the head size should be 9/16 of an inch, 0.55 inch. Okay, so that's the caliper pin, guide pin. Now I'll put this back in place and I'll pull off the retaining bolts just beneath it and see what that comes up as. This is the cover shield retaining bolt. There are 2 of these down, back, and below from the larger guide pins. This one is 0.282 inch diameter, which would be, I think, 5/16. I'll double check that and report back. The shank of the bolt is fully threaded, and that is 0.490 inch, ½ an inch long. The total length of the bolt, including the head, is 0.713, 0.7. The bolt head should be ½ an inch, and it is 499, close enough to ½ an inch for me. So there you got it. It looks like check the length again. ½ an inch long, fully threaded. .267 diameter.